Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. It's Merritt, and today we are doing a little project that I should have done years ago. I've had this car for almost 3.5 years now, and this is something that's bothered me since the day that I've bought it, and it's this thing, DIY hub thing that a previous owner did. I don't know what's going on here, but we're fixing it today. I have somehow come to collect the parts, so I have a hub and I have a new thing, hub connector thing for the quick release. The reason why I have this is because I am thinking I might need to replace this. There's a chance I might have to drill this out. It might be cross-threaded, so we're gonna find out. I'm really hoping for the best here, but either way I'm gonna replace it because it's got the horn thing, this doesn't have the horn thing, so whatever. But I have no clue where I got these from. I think these are just, it's just one of those things where I've like collected parts over the years and now I just realized I had it, so we're finally gonna replace it. So let's get to it. I'm really excited. I'm so tired of looking at this, so I'm ready for it to go. So let's do it. Alrighty, so we're gonna start off by taking these 4 bolts. This is the only thing holding this on. I have a feeling that it's not really gonna come out, but we're gonna see. I have really high hopes for this, actually. Before I go on, let's just make sure. So I do have all the hardware I need. It might be drilly time. Okay, so they're just spinning. So I believe they're cross-threaded. It's okay. I'm gonna drill them out. It doesn't matter anyway. I got like a pretty big bit here so that it just takes out the whole fucking thing. Because I'm gonna replace it all anyway, so it doesn't matter. So it's okay. I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick. It's probably gonna take me a hot minute, so I'll be back. Okay, so I'm like halfway through the second one, and this is the first one. Oh. Okay, it's lost forever. I decided to pull this out, and it had a nut on it that's just, it's not even moving. I don't even know what this was for. I'll have to get that out eventually, but we're not gonna worry about it now. Let's get it. I've drilled out 3 out of the 4 bolts. I realized that the last one, I could just I can move it to the side. So, it is a 21mm socket for this big old bolt right here that holds everything together. So, I don't know how well this is gonna hold up. This might not hold up the way I think it will. So Justin had this really smart idea of turning the wheel all the way to the left so that it would lock up, since the Miata doesn't lock up the steering, to get the steering wheel loose. So now I just have to turn it back this way to make sure the wheel is straight. And once I have that done, I should be able to get the wheel loose. I mean, now it's loose, but yeah. Now I'm gonna turn it straight to make sure when I get it loose and get everything off, everything is straight. Okay, I turned the car on and I got it all straight. There you go, just... Oh. Okay, so I went at this for like a while. I hit it, I grabbed at it, I pulled at it, I did everything I could, and it didn't come out. And then Justin sat in this seat for probably a solid, I don't know, 10 seconds, gave it a good old smack, and then popped up. So, with this being finally out, we're gonna put the hub in. I'm so over this thing. I spent so much fucking time. So much time trying to take that out. And then this motherfucker hops in the seat and gets it out immediately. I am about to lose my shit. But it's okay. Now we have a blank canvas. Bro, I don't think I'm gonna have a horn, but it's okay. So top dead center, I just gotta make sure that the wheel is straight. Wheels are straight, I think, for the most part. You see this notch right here? Top dead center. You better fucking go on, bro.
Funny moment.
I don't know how this works. Does it go on the other one? No, I'm just kidding. Okay, so it's the next day because nothing gets done in one day for me. So I looked up the part number yesterday on this. It turns out it's for like a Civic or Honda Soul or something. I don't know. I think it was just the wrong one. It could be the right one, but it wasn't fitting. So I went to my local Tognotti's and got a whole new hub because I want this to be done right. I don't want to deal with this. So I am going to get this done. As I said yesterday, I will not be having a horn, so that'll be fun. But I'm ready to get it done, so let's do it. I'm pretty ready. So first of all, we're gonna do the unboxing. So here it is. It's an NRG hub. Ooh. And it'll be a new one. It does show a different number on there, so I'm just gonna say that, yeah, it's fine. So let's hop in here and put it on. This is really difficult with one hand. Okay, so make sure you got top dead center. I made sure that these arrows were lined up. I'm just gonna line this up. Wow, look at that. It's on there. Okay, now I'm just gonna make sure my alignment is correct. I think it's a little bit off. Hold on. Maybe a tooth? No, I think it was right. Okay, now I got our little bolt. Pop in here. Now I'm just going to do what I did yesterday, which was turn the car on, turn the wheels all the way to the right now, so that I can torque this bolt down because it doesn't lock in there. So I'm gonna do that real quick. I'm gonna get a little bit tighter and then we'll do it. Yay! Looked up the torque specs. It's 29 to 36 foot-pounds. So I'm gonna start out with 29 on my torque wrench, and then I'm gonna work my way up to 36 and make sure it's nice and tight. Boom. Now the hardware that I have. Alright, so I think I have everything buttoned up. So pretty much what I did was I just hand tightened these, hand tighten them, and then I put the steering wheel on. It's really funny because when I put it on, it wasn't lined up. My steering wheel was actually like upside down completely. So I went ahead and took off the quick release and turned it around. Make sure that when you do this, that you do it in like a crisscross pattern so that it can evenly go on there. But look at that, it's all straight now. We have an actual hub. It doesn't look janky. Here, look at that difference. We went from this, oh god, to this. So much nicer, so much cleaner. I'm gonna go ahead and put my plastic trim pieces on. You just gotta like wiggle it around. I lied, so this stuff doesn't freaking fit back here. So I realized that this is a problem that future Mara is gonna worry about, so I'm not gonna worry about it now. I'm just gonna celebrate this small victory for today. I will say having my steering wheel straight and not look janky as hell is a little bit better than freaking having this up. So with that, I am really excited. I want to go for a drive. I've never actually experienced this steering wheel straight, so it's always been crooked since I put it on. So I'm really excited to try it out and like really feel it for what it's supposed to feel like. So if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. I really appreciate the support, so thank you so much if you're supporting my channel and me and this build, this piece of crap build. But yeah, I just be making small progress every once in a while. And I really hope you enjoy it because I have a great time making it. But I'll stop rambling now. Again, thank you so much for the support and I'll see you next time. Bye!